So your kiddo is at the stage where they are getting super interested in the potty. And I mean like up close and personal interested. They're playing with it, they're looking at it, and then all of a sudden, whoop, their head gets stuck inside the potty seat and they can't get it out. Seriously, that's a thing. Hey mommies and daddies, Nellie here, and we are on the lookout for the best products and tools for your parenting adventure. We ran into the folks from Fisher-Price at the Prego Expo in Orlando, and they schooled me on a phenomenon that I didn't even know existed. Toddlers getting their heads stuck in their potty seats. I know, sounds funny, right? Till it happens to your kiddo. But Fisher-Price has got the solution, and they walk me through exactly how it works. So, take a seat, and let's get ready to grow.
When you got so many questions and you don't know what to do, it's Baby Steps with Nellie.
Hey everybody, this is Nellie from Baby Steps with Nellie. I am here with Emily and Julia. They are with Fisher-Price. They're going to show us some of their awesome products here. Looks like some Snap Safe Ring. Wow, that's a tongue twister. I can't say that today. Snap Safe Ring. Fantastic.
So this is our new Fisher-Price potty trainer. The biggest thing about this, we're all about safety, and so we have a new patent called the Snap Safe Ring. One thing that happens when you're potty training is toddlers think it's a good idea to put the potty seat around their neck. It's something you don't think about until it happens, but with most potty rings, you actually cannot remove it unless you call emergency responders. Obviously, very traumatizing for both the parent and the kid during this important milestone.
Yes.
So we have this innovation called the Snap Safe Ring. So there's little tabs under here that all you have to do is push, and then it comes apart, so then you can take it off the neck if it were to get stuck.
Babies have little necks. That actually works. It's not going to work for our neck, but it'll work for their size neck.
It's a small innovation. We believe innovation doesn't always have to be flashy. It just has to be thoughtful. So this is a small design that can make a really big difference for families.
Now, is this only going on your potty seat, or can you actually put it on a toilet itself? So is it multifunctional that way?
Yes. So the ring, this is what the actual trainer looks like. It comes with sounds that are real flushing, has a little tracking chart with stickers, some storage back there, and then this ring on top can actually go off and go onto the big potty.
That's fantastic, because I know a lot of parents will start with the small potty but then can't transition to the big potty. So it's nice to be able to have something that they're already used to, that looks like what they've been sitting on for this whole entire time while they've gotten used to going potty in the potty onto the big potty. And we've actually done a couple reels on this and about potty training and why it's so scary and things like that. And it can be scary for little ones, especially because of the sound and the flush and the water, and all of a sudden, they poop and it splats up and hits their bottom. That's not a nice thing to feel when you've never have felt it before.
Exactly. And they're big, they're scary.
Yes.
If you've never seen one or sat on one before, it's like, oh my gosh, like imagine being little and then just looking up at the big potty. It's like, oh.
Exactly. I remember having looking at things when you remembering things from your childhood, and you're like, that was way bigger before. Was it way bigger before? Or I just grew, I guess. That's just the way it works. So the same way with potties, exactly. Well, thank you so much, ladies, for this wonderful demonstration. And that is a very cool little innovation for safety.
Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by.
Luckily, my kiddos never have put their potty seat over their head. So I'm very, very lucky about that. I never even thought about that being a thing.
We've had a few people come by and be like, he did that when he was a kid. Like,
oh, man.
It definitely happens. And if you go on social, it's like, it's so many compilation videos, and it's funny. It's like, oh, they put the potty seat on their head, but then they try to get it off, and it's like, oh no, it's not coming off.
It's like putting your head through the stairway.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
You can get it in, but you can't get
it back out. Yeah, you got ears. They get in the way.
Exactly.
It's just a good precaution to have.
Yeah.
Exactly. Fisher-Price. So, the age-old problem of getting your head stuck in a toilet seat and not being able to get it out has finally been solved. And remember, if that ever does happen to your little one, you can just push the tabs in the back, pull this piece off, and slip it right off of their neck. I wonder if they have a college version, for those ragers during finals week. May really come in handy. The folks at Fisher-Price told me that this is a great transitional seat from the little potty to the big potty, because you can just take it off of theirs and put it directly onto your toilet seat. Now, if you have a round toilet seat, that's going to work perfectly because of the shape of this, and it won't slide around. However, when I tried it on my elongated toilet seat, It did not fit correctly, so you would need a different type of toilet seat for that. I put a link for the best Fisher-Price potty training toilet seat down in the show notes, or you can check out my website, babystepswithnellie.com, and click on Nellie's favorite products. I have a whole list of must-have items for your parenting toolkit ready to go for you. And if I come across any sales or coupon codes, I'll be sure to add those as well. For more tips and tools for your parenting adventure, like, subscribe, and check out the other videos here on my channel. And until next time, keep loving and growing with your kiddos.
It's Baby Steps with Nellie.